Welcome back. This video is about some common classroom phrases that I want you to listen for and to know, because I'll be starting to speak more Chinese in class and less English. Okay, so in order for you to transition into that, I need you to first understand these basic phrases, okay, and I'm going to demonstrate them next week in class. Okay, let's start with number one at the top. Okay, number one is please open your book. Okay, and to say that we say 请打开书 请打开书 Okay, that's how you say it in pinyin. 请打开书 Alright. And I'll say read page number, and then I'll say the number. Okay, so this is how you say it grammatically. 看第 and then I'll say a number, and then 页 means page, okay? 第 means number, in an order. Okay, so if it's number one, page number one, it'll be 第一页 第一页 Okay, 看第一页 So if I say 请打开书看第一页 I'm saying open your book and look at page 1. Okay, and here's the pinyin. But 第 doesn't mean the word number, it just means when you're saying like the first or second or third or 100th, you'll say 第 to order it, okay? And then is just the page, okay? Next one. Read aloud, okay? And this is also a grammar point. I put this one time in parentheses because when we say 一下 after a verb, it just softens the tone of the verb, okay? It sounds nicer, and this is the way Chinese people speak. So if I say 念一下 念一下 or 读一下 that means read aloud, okay? 念一下第22页 that means read page 22, okay? Or if I say 读一下第30页 that means read page 30. Alright, moving on to number 4. 听一下 that means listen. Okay, so if I tell you to listen to me, I'll say 大家 everybody 大家听一下 Alright, number 5, I say 看一下 that means look at something. Maybe I'm drawing your attention to someone or something. I'll say 大家看一下 Alright. Number 6, 说一下 So I want you to say something. I'll tell you 请你说一下你的名字 Okay, please say your name. Okay, moving down. Number 7 is 再说一遍 再说一遍 Say it again. So if you hear 再说一遍 再 just means again. Okay, 说 is to say, like you learned up here, to say. So 再说一遍 一遍 means another time. Okay, one time. Now the last 3 are a little bit longer. So 声音大一点 声音大一点 that means a little bit louder. So if you're speaking too softly, I'll say 声音大一点. Alright, and that tells you to please speak a little bit louder. Now, that goes for the opposite. If you're speaking too loudly, maybe you're being a distraction in class, I will tell you 声音小一点声音小一点 a little quieter. Okay, so remember those go hand in hand. Okay, and lastly, 准备好了吗准备好了吗 means are you ready? I put the you in parentheses because I didn't specify you or he, okay? This just is a question you're asking. Ready? Okay, 准备好了吗 Are you ready? Alright, so remember these because I'll be speaking more Chinese in class and I want you all to get used to it. And I don't want you to be so confused, okay? So get used to these and we'll learn little by little how to understand Chinese just by listening. Okay, thank you. See you next week.